Hi, we're at Woodland Elementary. I went to Destiny Cover. That's where you should go to find some more books in the library. So if you want to go to Destiny Cover, they do have some books that you could search the library or you can read on there and still weigh our test.
What did you do when you found the books you wanted?
I wrote it on a piece of paper and then we came to library. Then I asked the librarian, do you have these books? She searched it up and she did, so then I checked them out.
Well, that was easy.
Yes, it was. That's why you should go to Destiny Cover. Like if it was like a Saturday and you can't check out at the library, then you could go on there, read some books, or you can write it down on a piece of paper and then the next time you go to the library, you could check those out. They have soccer players, football players, and fantasy and scary books that I got. Check Destiny Cover out because you might find some really good books.
Are you going to be a librarian one day?
Maybe. Bye.